Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by pausing anything controllable. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then pause updates for 7 days. Once paused, make sure you run an elevated command prompt or PowerShell as administrator. This is required for the next steps. If the system already shows installing, save any work and prepare for service level stops. You do this because Windows won't fully cancel in process installs from the GUI. Stopping services lets you safely take control and prevent further write operations. Once you're in an elevated shell, execute net stop WUSERV and net stop bits to halt the Windows Update background services. This prevents ongoing downloads or file locks. After services stop, rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders. For example, rename to software distribution. Old, because these contain downloaded update files that would otherwise resume. Once renamed, start the services again with net start bits and net start WUSERV. You do this to force Windows to rebuild clean download folders and avoid immediately reapplying the same partial update. After restart, check Windows Update in Settings to confirm it no longer applies the update. You may need to run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter. To ensure system integrity, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, because interrupted installs can leave corrupted system files. If the machine is stuck in a boot loop or update loop, boot recovery media and perform a system restore or offline repair. Key troubleshooting tip: if the PC won't boot, use safe mode or recovery console before attempting file renames or service changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.